If you're exhibiting at NAB this year and you're involved in any form of video demonstration where you might want to record your screen, then this video might help. Now, maybe you want to show the audience a workflow, a new feature, a new menu button, or full demonstration running alongside someone talking the audience through it. And if you use your video camera to record both the screen and the person speaking, you're going to be compromised between where you're looking and where the camera is looking. And if the camera is pointing at a screen, you will also have issues then with color balance, with focus, exposure, all sorts of issues. So we always recommend locking the camera onto the person speaking and using your Mac or PC to record the demonstration internally. You can then give that recorded file to a video editor who can cut that in, which also gives the advantage of meaning the person on the camera isn't on camera for the whole time. So it gives a good production quality for the person watching the video. So how do you do that in a busy trade show? Well, if you're on a Mac, you can use QuickTime, which is built into a Mac, and that's a really easy way to record the whole screen. But if you're on a PC, which most demonstrations will be run on, then you need to download an app to enable you to record something. Now, the one we use is OBS, and that's a free open source application, and we're going to show you now how to set that up on a PC or a Mac, and we'll run through the very simple steps to recording your screen. So search for OBS download in your browser and you'll see OBS Studio, and the URL will be obsproject.com. Select the operating system for either your PC or your Mac, and you can download and set up the app. Okay, so now you can see I'm pointing my camera at my PC, something this whole video is encouraging you not to do, and you can see why. The quality is just not that good. Now, once downloaded, open up OBS and you'll see this user interface. You can click on the plus button to add a new source, and then on a PC you want to choose Window Capture. On a Mac it's called Mac OS Screen Capture. They both do the same thing but are called different things for different operating systems. Now, in the top pull down box, select the window that you wish to record. Now, this is going to be your demonstration application window. Once you're happy that it's shown in the window in the right location, which can be moved around if necessary, then press Start Record. You can now minimize OBS and you can get started with the demonstration knowing that whatever's happening on the screen is being recorded. And you can see here the poor quality of the camera recording directly to the PC screen. So when the demo is over, you can open up OBS again and hit Stop Recording, and then head over to your file manager and open up the folder to view the files. And you can see straight away the difference. Now, you can drop this file onto a USB memory stick, you can email it, or you can even WhatsApp it to whoever's editing your video, and they can cut that in, giving a really nice mix of the person speaking and great quality screen recordings, all perfectly synchronized to what was being talked about at the time the mouse is moving on the screen, which is very hard to do if you try and record the screen after you've done the demo. So we do lots of videos at trade shows like NAB and IBC, so do check out those on our channel and make sure you subscribe. And if you, of course, need any help with your video marketing at trade shows, then you know where to find us.